Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Well, in this episode, I'll be taking you guys through how to create an electronic signature. So, in order to create an electronic signature, uh, we need to have a Gmail account. So, if you have watched my earlier video, and in in it, I've been handling how to create an I've been handling in it how to create I've been handling it how to create an uh, a, a Gmail account. So you will be just working over in this video. So in this, so you need to, in order to create an Gmail account, you need to have an in order to create a Gmail electronic signature, you need to have a Gmail account, as I've been telling you. So now you come to the settings, then you press on all settings. You press on all settings, and under settings you scroll down to signature, where there is signature. So under this, because we want to create a new signature, let me remove this. We want to create a new signature, so you come to create, you type in the signature name, maybe any unique. You can use your name, your full name, or your nickname, anything that you can remember easily. Now you type on your details, type on to your details. So you type in your details, type in your details, type in your details, maybe your title. I could say an activist, even though I'm not. I'm just using this for the purpose of demonstration. So I can say where I work is called Yuga Green, and yeah, we already have. So maybe we want to add on to a link to 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 get hold of us, hold of me easily. I'll use my email address. Now we can do some extra. Maybe we can do something. Maybe I want this green to be green, or the background to be green. Uh, Maybe I want this part here to the text to be green. You can do those editing. I want the activist to be italic. Just this is just to make your work, your signature maybe look more attractive. And I want this one to be bolded, and maybe you can even change the writing style. Maybe I want it to be like that. After doing your editing, then you come down here. You must always remember to come down here and choose. Maybe you have many signatures, so remember the name of your signature you choose from here. So this one is the signature you will be displaying every time you're sending email. So then after doing that, you come down, scroll down up to here and save the changes. If you have not saved the changes, it may disappear. Now, uh, we have created it, but now we want to check if we have really created it. You come to compose, and under compose, there's this where maybe you want to send an email, and we want to, you can write the those what you want to send to that person, and then you choose your recipient, and then you write the body of the message. Now the down up this is the display of how our signature looks, and it will be looking like this after sending. The person would see our signature like this. So after sending, we come to send to check the message. If it has already been sent, come here, and this is how our our email is, and this is how our signature is looking. Thank you guys for watching my video. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Love you all. Please subscribe if you've not, and press on the notification button to get updated on new videos being uploaded. Thank you guys. Looking forward to seeing you all in my next videos.